I think we did something. What do we do? What's that there in the back? Come find out. Hi, this is David Mayfield, and welcome to another episode of Driving the Classics here on my YouTube channel, Driving the Classics. And guess what we did? I don't know, might be a mistake, might be something terrible, but maybe a really good deal. So in my introduction, I said, look what we got. What is it? Well, here we go. 1965 Thunderbird. Just a quick walk around real quick. It's in really good condition. It just needs to be cleaned up. I can't open the doors because of the fenders right now, but I just couldn't pass it up. Little paint issues there, but that's not a big deal. So there we go. Let's take it back to the shop and see what we can do with it. Well, we finally got it home, and it was an ordeal getting it off the trailer. We were just really too focused on getting that off the trailer and into the garage that we just didn't really film it. But if you can see behind me, there we go. We've already started doing some work on it. We've got the hood off. We still need to verify what engine it is. We're thinking it's a 390, but again, we really need to check the VIN. But it could be 351 Cleveland, but again, I don't want to verify that until we actually get where we're at. Since we already took the hood off, as you can see up there. As you look, there is some paint issues, but we are definitely going to take care of that. And it does look dirty in there, I have to say. So let's open it up here and look inside. It's fairly clean. We're gonna have to work on the steering a little bit, but floors, we're going to take all the carpet out. We're going to take all that package tray back out there and sand it down and get it painted. But this interior was done 10 years ago, so it's fairly new. Well, 10 years old, but it was put in new before it got put into storage. So let's look in here. Yeah, it's going to be interesting, but this is really cool. The headliner, whoops, wrong way. The headliner's decent. We're just going to have to put the trim up here, and we do have that in the trunk. Doors shut solid. We're going to have to work on this window, but it does have power windows. And let's go back here. This is the massive trunk. We'll go down here and see the lights, but as you can see, I don't have much room at all back here. I measured it just right. But like I said, all the glass is good, really good. The trim is good. It has all 4 hubcaps, but we had to take some off on travel because it kept falling off. But it does have all the original hubcaps. We are going to have to get a mirror. Come around here to the front. I mean, the chrome is in really good shape. I'm just going to have to shine that up. Yeah, let's look at one of these other hubcaps that Tim has. The Thunderbird. They're all on there. They got it. So not much room on that side to go see, but again, the bright work looks good. I mean, it's all there. There is not one dent on any of these bumpers, any of the chrome at all. The headlight bezels are really good. So we're just going to set up what we've taken. Like I said, we've taken the hood off because we want to get started on this really quick. We did take the battery out, and as you can see, yeah, there is like no battery tray, but we're going to get that replaced. And everything else just needs to be cleaned off. What were you just doing, Tim?
Taking the bolts of the nuts off of the carburetor.
Okay, let's go ahead and we've already disconnected that. And that was a rebuilt carburetor. That's not the original. It does have a spacer. So right now we are just going to tear this apart. We're going to take yeah, it does have an AC. That's an AC compressor. It does have AC. So hopefully we can get that working. But I can't promise anything on that. We'll just have to see. But right now we're just going to take everything apart and go from there.
Like show just a little bit. So the valve cover's off.
All right. So yep, we've got
Okay, those are tight. I'm gonna plug all the wires and stuff first.
yeah. Let's get all the wires off.
That's all down there.
You know what I need to do? I need to take that bracket off.
Yeah.
So we can get.
Okay, I'm gonna get these off. Actually, over here.
I'm gonna bring this over. Get that other one up top. Oh, and I've also got this.
Yeah. We'll use that for spots. Okay, we need a tool right here.
All right, let's get these going here. Yeah.
Woo! Look at that. Clean trans fluid.
Yeah, here, show. He pulled the trans, and it is clean.
It's nice and clean. And driven. Do you think the odometer is has a roll over?
Yeah, I don't know.
It says like 3,600 or 36,000.
No. I'm not going to say yes. I'm not going to say no. I'm going to pull this bracket off here so I can get a little more room. What did you have?
What?
Did you have a 9/16?
7/16?
What are you using right now?
Not right now. This is it was on that right there.
Okay.
On the ratchet, right on the fender.
Oh.
You want to put the distributor? Oh, that's weird.
What's that?
Different than what I used to. Got this side plug wires off.
This is where I need my light.
And then this one's looking like it's ready to come off. Actually, tape this up and mark it what it is. There it is.
All right, I took one of the braces off just so I could get down in there. But always keep your bolts together. You bag them, mark them. We're doing the same thing. But if you can keep them together like this on a bracket, then do it.
Oh yeah. We're gonna start taking the. That's it.
And again, the reason I'm doing this is so I can get down to the spark plug wires if they are blocked by this. And we're gonna take these out, sand them down, get them brushed up, and repaint them all, so it's gonna be nice and clean. All right, where are we here? Oh, I need to get that big one down there. All right, we've got a bracket that holds onto the AC. Bracket right there to hold the AC compressor, and there's a bolt down there, so I had to bring out the big dog. Breaker bar. American steel, can't beat it. It just came out just like butter, like butter. Ford.
Alright, now can I get this without taking the bracket off?
Okay, there's that bracket, and that's another part that we're going to be painting on.
You want to go ahead and just pull this bracket?
We're gonna come over here and look at these. We just pulled the valve covers off. Look how clean those are. A little bit of rust there, but those gaskets are gone. So we're definitely gonna have to get a new gasket, but oh my goodness, can't beat that.
Yeah, the gasket's right here. It's donezo. Look how nice and
Yeah,
pretty.
these are clean. We're not going to have to do anything to that. These are absolutely clean. Look on the inside. We're just going to scrape that gasket material off right there. A little bit right there will peel off, but oh my goodness. These were originally gold, and that's how it's going to stay. So we'll keep them the original color on that. Put those on that back shelf, upside like this.
Yeah.
Just right there.
Right here?
Yeah. All right, I still got a little bit of work on this side because I've got that bracket out. There's just a lot in the way here. There's bolts underneath there.
Oh, there are?
Mm-hmm.
I mean nuts?
I mean nuts, yeah.
No?
No?
Were
There was on.
Yeah,
That
there
one.
are. Did you get them?
Wait a minute.
On the back?
No, those do not have.
Yeah.
Those do.
Okay, I was about to say. Like, I don't think they do that. Oh, footage though? Because I mean, I didn't hear anything drop either, so.
Yeah, no, those. Oh, as I may not have mentioned, that motor was rebuilt 10 years ago and it hasn't driven since. So it's a completely rebuilt motor, and that's why those under those valves, because those valves are so clean. So I'm happy to see that. We got the carb off, we got both valve covers off, and just look at that junk down there. So, and again, that distributor is going to have to go. We're not going to be able to use that. All right, so go ahead, and he's going to vacuum it out, all the junk out of there, and let's see how clean we can get this.
Ready?
Yep. Good deal. All right, so that's pretty much what we wanted to get done tonight. We may work on it a little bit more, but like I said, we'll show you. We're not going step by step. We're just going to show and look what progress we're making. Oh, and also, if you didn't know, this is the windshield wiper fluid that you put in a little bag and travels up and goes up there to the windshield wipers. Actually, we're going to get this off too. This plate, and I want to check that brake. We'll check that brake fluid. Let's look at that brake fluid. Just push it in. I think you push it in.
They come out this way now. Need a screwdriver?
Oh!
Ooh, chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Nasty.
There's the.
I mean, it's not bad. But it's, oh.
Yeah. What?
It smells literally like bad milk.
Yeah.
It's not good.
That will need to come out. So we will have to drain all that out, and I'm not sure. I would like to put a dual master cylinder on there just for safety, and it shouldn't be that difficult to do. It's just there's some other things that we have to do for that. So we'll just see where it goes. I'd prefer not to. If we can get that one working and the brakes working, then I'm definitely going to keep it there. So But anyway, like I said, we're gonna take this bracket off tonight and see if we can see the radiator, see what condition it's in, and that's probably going to be a wrap for the night because we had a long day today. All right, well, that's day one with our 1965 Thunderbird. We're going to get into it. We're going to be working on this thing every day until we get it cleaned up, running, and send it out the door. So this will eventually be for sale, but you'll be able to see the process of what we're doing, everything we're doing to it, the problems we have, the issues we have. We're going to show all that. So we'll see you tomorrow. I want to thank you for watching our channel, Driving the Classics. I hope you're enjoying it. If you are, I ask that you hit that like button. That really helps the algorithm for YouTube to be able to keep these videos going and get them out to people who want to see them, who may not know about the channel. It'll come up in your searches and get it out there. So that's what we're hoping to. So like that. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. And if you want to get updates every time we have a new episode, I ask you to ring that bell. And every time we post one, you'll get notification of that. I want to let you know how much we appreciate your viewership, we appreciate your patronage, and hopefully we can continue to make quality content that you'll enjoy, you'll share, and you'll pass on this great hobby of building and keeping and driving classic cars. Well, thank you again for watching this episode of Driving the Classics. This is the first episode in the series of Bringing Back Bluebird, where we're attempting to bring back this beautiful 1965 Ford Thunderbird that we bought for $3,900. So we're going to have multiple episodes. The next episode will be focusing more on the motor, bringing back this Ford 390. The episode after that, we'll be working on the interior and then the trunk, and we also have where we have to rebuild the exhaust. So stay tuned. This is going to be multiple episodes on this. So let's see how it turns out. I don't know how it's going to turn out. This is happening as it goes. So we're going to show you the process. So if you like what you're seeing, hit that like button. That really helps us with the YouTube algorithm to get our videos out there, get it spread to those who may want to see it. If you haven't subscribed, I ask you to do that. And if you want to get updates every time a new episode comes out, ring that bell and you'll get those alerts in your emails. So again, thank you so much for watching Driving the Classics and being on our journey with us to get this beautiful Thunderbird back into running order. And I will always invite you, just like we do every day, drive your passion. See you next time on Driving the Classics.